What's up, YouTube? So we had this towed in for a bad starter at 60,000 miles. And I did a previous video with the VIN number on the battery. But what I want you to do is look at the intake ports. So this is a non-GDI motor, and you can see that this engine at 60,000 miles is struggling to keep the intake ports clean, and here's why. So they bonded this hose to this intake manifold, which was a joke to get that off, and then they put the clamp on the other side tucked under the intake. But what I want to show you is this. Ready? Watch, Bill. Like the intake manifold is dripping oil out of it. Your engines are doomed. Your engines are all doomed. 65,000 miles. Even though the oil's clean, right? It has so much blow-by that it's pulling into oil right into your engine. Makes you sick, doesn't it? These are your engine manufacturers and your new car dealerships doing this to you, the consumer. Designed to fail. Why does your spark plugs fail? Why is your intake valves carbon? Why does your engine need a tune-up sooner? Why do you need a catalytic converter? Now, could you imagine not changing your oil regularly, how much worse this would be? Amplify that by 10.